The best businesses in the world don't sell anything, they offer their service. They give people the option to buy. They don't try to force them into buying. They can do this because their name and reputation is so big that they don't have to fight for customers. There are endless buyers in the market for them, so they get to create a product or service that has no sales or manipulation tactics embedded into it. They don't need tactics because the product speaks for itself, because not having to market the product allows them to make it in most authentic way. The brand name then speaks for itself. This allows them to put their full efforts into service delivery or product efficiency, which drives up their reputation and value even more. The most authentic product and people in this world rise to the top, and that's only possible when in a state of abundance. I want you to think the same way about attracting women. View yourself as a brand or company that doesn't need a sales pitch, because the value you offer is obvious. They can take it or leave based on what they want in life. It's wrong to try to sell people too. They should want to purchase it because there's a value exchange, which leads to real results and relationships. This goes for women especially. You can't sell women. You can only show them what you offer, and then they decide if they want it or not. You only want to talk to women who have interests. And once you are in abundance mentally, you know there will always be women interested because your product, you, has value. But at the same time, knowing not everyone is looking for that product, you. We all have our interests and tastes, but what's real will always sell. So the more real you become, the less you have to think about how to attract buyers, girls, and the problem more so turns into how to manage all these opportunities, leads, women. When you're in a state of abundance, you have too much of everything, and the problem becomes managing it with your time and energy. If 10 high-quality women want to date you, the problem is now picking one over the others. But most men are in scarcity mindsets trying to sell themselves to women instead of realizing they're in the completely wrong frame of mind.